First of all, I feel like what you're saying is not true. Because immediately I came here with Daniela and I came to greet you. If I had an attitude...
Daniela dragged you to
me. No,
me.
Daniela did not drag me to you.
So even when I actually asked of Daniela,
yes, but what you don't realize is at that time, so many things were going on. I wasn't giving... I even told you...
But
no, Allysyn, I allowed you to speak.
I allowed you to speak. That maybe you were giving
I allowed you to speak, so I'd like you to allow me to speak,
okay.
right? We already sat down, we spoke about it, and I told you when we were speaking that I didn't even realize that I was giving you attitude.
But
that I had something on my mind that is possible that subconsciously I was actually giving attitude. But God sees my heart. Everything that I heard did not shake my mind towards about our friendship at all.
So
it made me feel hurt. I did not realize I was giving attitude until you mentioned that I was. When you said, Doyin, you were giving attitude, I asked you that, was I really giving attitude? Allysyn, I don't think you know me. If I'm mad at you, if I really don't want to speak to you, I have no reason. Daniela cannot...
You have done it before where you heard something that you didn't like and you kept, like you're just like...
And I kept my distance. I did not come and greet you that time. If I feel some type of way about you in my heart, there's no reason for me to run into the room and come and say hi to you. If I was selfish, I would have gone to go and meet that said person that day, regardless of whether you wanted to be in the middle of drama or not. But I considered you first, and I didn't want you to be. And even though I was very upset about it,
because I knew that.
And then when we were speaking, you were able to say, you can get angry. No, you don't talk to me like that, Allysyn. I don't talk to you like that. I speak to you with respect.
But you also
even when
were rude at the same time.
No, I wasn't rude.
You were rude
I started getting rude when you started talking. It was obvious that you were wrong. Allysyn, think about it properly. Put yourself in my shoes.
But that was rude.
Put yourself in my shoes.
I had the right to be rude at that point.
I have a question to ask you. Put yourself in my shoes. If I went ahead to go and meet that person that day, and the thing came back to you, would you be thinking, oh, let me be polite to Doyin? You will be well within your right.
I said that.
Allysyn,
you all were telling Doyin shit.
Okay, you went to go and meet him.
He said, no, he came to me and was like, you all were telling Doyin shit. So it meant like the whole house.
If you have any respect for our friendship, like I do, I think about the way I speak to you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Today you were in the wrong in my books. I felt like you were wrong.
Okay.
And if I felt like, if we had an argument and I felt like I was wrong, I would never speak to you that way. I would never walk out and slam the door on you. Because I'll be trying to even apologize to you first of all. You weren't even, you're just like, I'm sorry, I don't take bullshit. No. It's not just about you.
I didn't use the word bullshit. So
no, I'm sorry, I don't take shit. Exactly. I don't take shit. And you kept on saying that. You didn't realize at that point that if the situation was turned around, and that's what you're still not realizing till now.
You need to understand that emotions were high at that point. I'm not saying that I have the right to have been upset and to have gone off. I'm saying that at that point I was angry. And I feel like if I was angry, maybe I shouldn't have been, but the way you acted made me to react. But it's not even 100%
funny how you
on
even thought I even had that. Like,
I literally had an attitude.
And the funny thing is, okay, let's even imagine that yes, I had an attitude.
Yes.
The fact that we already had the conversation, we already hugged. We were already cool.
I understand
you wanted to clear shit out at the expense of what I came to say to you. I wouldn't have done that to you. I would have put my own needs first before yours. Because if I said to you, I don't want you to speak on this thing. If you said that to me, I'll respect that regardless of whether I wanted to clear shit. I wanted to clear shit with that person. I didn't do it. I was very upset. I didn't do it. And the only reason I didn't do it was because of you. So I felt like you should have given that back to me. If we have a conversation and I say it's good, regardless of what anybody said to me, but it's not going to matter. What matters to me is that you and I can sit together and talk about it, and we're good. Like that's
and like
all.
Block all the other noises.
Exactly. I think I would be very stupid of me to take off Ina. Or Brian safe even says over like what
we had.
Like,
came to meet me at that point, I would have gone off at her. I was just at the edge. I was just tired. I don't want this argument to take out of the relationship because I feel like we are bound to argue. But the only thing that is that we remain respectful even if we are arguing, which I went out of. And even when I was done, I went to because people that had to call me. I was just like, you know what? I started to feel like I shouldn't have even gone off. I just kept quiet, but I was already emotional about everything. I was just like, you know what? I don't want anything to happen here. Like, so I put just always, and I don't want you to take anybody's word for what it is not. And I wouldn't. Like, I can't even do that. Shit. I wouldn't. I just felt that you and I already spoke. We're already good. I was just upset. I was just genuinely upset today. I was just. But it's good. Just tired. Yeah, that's what I want. Thank you for coming. And I'm sorry for the things I said that were wrong. It's fine. I was just angry. It's your bullshit. You're talking bullshit. Bullshit.